Welcome to our tutorial on how to reply to someone's story on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature is part of the latest updates, making it easier than ever to engage with your friends and family directly from your computer. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Simply navigate to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. If you haven't already, make sure your phone is linked to WhatsApp web by scanning the QR code displayed on your screen. This ensures that your messages are synced across both devices. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface that mirrors your phone's WhatsApp app. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu with several options. Click on Status to view all the stories shared by your contacts. Now scroll through the list of statuses until you find the one you want to reply to. Click on it to open the full view. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a reply bar where you can type out your response. This is where you can express your thoughts or reactions to the story. Take your time crafting the perfect reply. You can type anything from a simple, "love it," to a longer message if you have more to say. Once you're satisfied with your response, click the Send button. Your reply will be sent directly to the person who posted the story, and they'll receive it as a private message. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping conversations going without having to switch between devices. It's also a great way to engage more deeply with the content your friends and family share, making your interactions feel more personal and immediate. By following these simple steps, you can easily reply to someone's story on WhatsApp web from your PC. This not only enhances your messaging experience, but also makes it more convenient to stay connected with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using this new feature.